are ready to go with the final video of the day. We've done 90-degree rotation, 180-degree rotation. Now we're going to do 270 degrees rotation, which means it's a 3/4 turn. So if I was taking triangle FGH and rotating it 90 degrees, I'd go down to this quadrant. 180, 270 is going to bring me over here. So this is a little different. The previous two problems we started in the first quadrant. Now we're starting in the second quadrant. But I'm still going to move 3 quadrants over. Okay. Also, my rule is y opposite of x. Just taking a moment to compare that, because when I go here, that's the same thing as rotating 90 degrees clockwise when I rotate 270 degrees clockwise. So it's kind of like the opposite. And our rules are kind of opposite. When we rotated 90 degrees, our rule was flip-flop x and y and make y the opposite. We flip-flop again, but this time we're making the other coordinate the opposite. Okay, so taking a look at what that looks like, I have -7, 8. So I'm going to go 8, flip-flop my y over to the left, and the opposite of what x is. X is -7 is going to be +7 now. And I would expect all my coordinates to be positive because it's going to be in that first quadrant where it's positive for x, positive for y. Flip-flop, the 1 goes in the first place, and then the x that was -1 becomes the opposite to +1. Flip-flop, 4 goes in front. -8 becomes the opposite, and it's 8. So now I can go ahead and put it on my graph. I go over 8, up 7. That's my f prime. And then 1, 1 is my g prime. And my 4, 8 is my h prime. Just connect those all together, and I have a congruent triangle. It's been rotated 270 degrees. So I went 3 quadrants around. It's a 3/4 turn. Connect those dots. All right. And that is how you rotate a point or a figure 270 degrees around the origin.